welcome to today's video. If you don't know me, I am Jen. Let's talk about something. So, I don't know if it's just me, but I like to, I don't know what it is about pumping gas, but if it's not like super convenient, like boom, like I'm right here already at a gas station, I'm pretty much not gonna fill it. And so today I decided that I'm gonna drive all the way to my parents' house and see if I can make it on what I had left. I probably had 1 gallon left. Let me show you. The sign is on, and then my check engine light went on, and I am totally out of range. But now I'm at the HEB gas station and I'm gonna fill up. Today, what I'm hoping to do for our DIY is to build a table. Now, I've built tables in the past. I've had good tables and I've had bad tables. So hopefully this is gonna turn out to be one of the good ones. And I'm gonna pump some gas, and then we are going to drive over to Home Depot and get this DIY started. All right, you guys, I am on my way to Home Depot now with a full tank of gas. And the trick is going to be fitting the wood inside of my itty bitty car. We'll see about that. I'll update you guys whenever I am trying to put the wood in the car. So for my inspiration on this table, I literally just looked up Entryway table on Google and searched through things and saw what I liked and what I didn't like. I wanted something more of a contemporary style. And then I found this, and I really love the look of it and the simplicity of it. But what I don't love is the price. As you saw, it was $330, and I am not about to pay that much money for this simple of a table. What I like about it is that it doesn't have a shelf on the bottom, because I just know my dogs will get into whatever I have on the shelf on the bottom. And I just think that this table is so simple and just what I need in my house. So let's go ahead and get started. From Home Depot, I got a 2x12 by 8 foot piece of wood. Let's see if it will fit in my car. Y'all, do you see this? I got all of the wood in now. Where there's a will, there's a way. And blood, sweat. Do you see the sweat and tears? No tears were in the process of getting all of this loaded up. But where there's a will, there is a way, y'all. And I have the will, so there will be a way, okay? Alright, I got it all in. I will go over everything else that I purchased whenever I get to a safer location where I'm not filming and driving at the same time. I just wanted to show you that I did it. Now I'm going to measure out all the wood for the top of my table. I want it to be 4 feet long. Then for the 2 sides of my table, or the legs of the table, I want them to be 30 inches tall. Then I am going to cut, sand, and stain all of my pieces of wood. Go ahead and cue montage now. Major change of scenery, but this is what it looks like after I have applied 3 coats of the stain. I moved to my living room because it was raining outside. I like this stain because it You can see the grains of the wood still, and I think it looks really nice. It is a black cherry satin stain. The other things that I got from Home Depot are these corner braces. They are 3 inches long and it came in a pack of 4. It also came with screws, but I ended up buying my own screws because I didn't think those would be long enough. So these are 1-inch screws and they are flathead Phillips, and they have like a little curve to them so it'll go into the braces really nice. Then I made a mark at the center of each of the boards, and then I measured the distance between the center point and the end point so that I had 2 places to put the brackets evenly on each side. Then I just drilled the brackets in where I made those marks and then made sure that the brackets were even and level. That way when I connect them to the top board, everything will be perfectly even. On this side of the board, I noticed that there were knots and I didn't want to be screwing the brackets into a knot. That could cause the table not to be stable. So I just flipped it over and then repeated the process from the previous board onto this board. Then I took those boards and then put them at the very edge of the top board and then screwed them into the bottom of the top board. And the screws are 1 inch long so they won't show through on the other side. Here she is in all her glory, a nice contemporary style table for under $50, whereas if you were to buy it online, I saw it for $330. Alrighty, so here is the final look. I think it looks pretty awesome. I think maybe right now I don't see any issue with it, but maybe if I were to put like a lot of weight on top, I might add reinforcements. I don't know if you can see, I have the 2 brackets here and then 2 brackets on this side as well, but I might add reinforcements if I want to put anything heavy on it. And this is what it looks like over here. Technically this is our front door, but we never actually use it as an entrance. We always go in through the garage door, and I think that looks really good there with the clock. However, I think it might make this entrance a little too narrow or claustrophobic for me, so I might have to find somewhere else to put it. So this is another potential place that I can put this table, but there is one more place I want to try. Another potential spot that I was thinking about putting the table is right here where this bench is. I live in Houston and there was supposed to be a hurricane, or there was predicted to be a hurricane over here. Thankfully it didn't hit us, but still I know there were people who were affected in Louisiana and the Beaumont area, so keep on praying for them. But since the hurricane, I brought all my outdoor furniture inside, and honestly, I kind of like it. It pretty much goes with my kitchen, and I didn't know that whenever I first stained this wood, but now that I have it inside, it really does match my kitchen. But I think that I will either make a new seating here, that's a whole nother video if I'm gonna do it, but I'm thinking maybe I'll put the table here and move that back outside so that way I can still have my outdoor seating. My only dilemma with that is I didn't want it to look like a shrine with Buttercup's picture up there, but I don't know, maybe if I add all the fall decor, then it will look a lot better. Let's go ahead and move this couch out, and then we will put the table in. So this is the final spot that I was considering putting it, and now that I have it over here, I kind of like it. Does it look like a shrine? Does it look like an ofrenda? We'll see. I didn't decorate with all fall decor because that's going to come out in a video soon, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week with another DIY.